Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson, and in this video, I just want to quickly show you how I hire miners to actually help me mine cryptocurrency. And all I just need to do is to sit back and take profits every day that passes by. Okay, this has been so interesting. Okay, in short, when I came across this project, it actually blew my mind because I never expected it to be this profitable. And for me, so far, for the past 15 days that I actually jumped into this project, it has been profit upon profit for me. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be showing you a live withdrawal, okay, of me taking profit from this particular platform into my MetaMask. Okay, so that goes to show you that the project actually pays. Okay, and for so far it's been very, very wonderful because the project has been in operation for over a year. Okay, over a year it's been running and been paying consistently. Now also remember, it's a kind of project that you actually take profit instantly, not like you wait for days for the profit to land into your BTC wallet. No, it's instant. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to go to my system now and I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof of how I take profit on this particular project. Okay, now if this sounds like something that is interesting to you, I want you to stick with me on this video. Okay, and also I'll be leaving a link to this particular project right below this video. Okay, let's go to my system.
Dashboard here. This particular mining website has been running for over 400 days, okay, which is 471 days. Okay, it's been mining and it's been paying out consistently, and the good part of it is that it's actually a decentralized kind of finance whereby immediately you can take your money out, you can take your profit out. Okay, so it's a very good website that I've been using for the past 15 days. Now, this is not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just viewing my own opinion and interest, okay, here. So like I rightly said, I've been doing this for over 15 days, but the website or the business itself has been running for over a year. Okay, so I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to show you something. You can see where it says your TVL here. Okay, this is the total value lock. The meaning of this TVL, it means total value lock. Now let's go to CoinMarketCap and check for the value of what I actually have right there in my TVL here. Okay, you can see the TVL. I have 0.51082 BNB here. Okay, now this TVL is a value that I cannot take out because it's locked in this particular website so that it keeps yielding me profits. Now, where is the profit, you might want to ask? This is the profit here. You can see where it's a BNB in barrel. This is where the profit is. Okay, this 0.06489 is actually the profit. Okay, now I actually started this I hired miner in this particular project with just $50, and since then I've been compounding, and the interest keep growing, and the value of my total TVL keeps growing also. So let's go to CoinMarketCap and check the value of this TVL presently as it is now. Okay, let's copy it, 0.51082. Okay, so we're going to go to CoinMarketCap here, the calculator of CoinMarketCap. Then we're going to paste that value over here. Okay, I'm going to choose BNB. Let's choose BNB. Okay, I'm going to choose BNB here. I'm sorry, I'm going to choose BNB. Okay, so we're going to choose BNB. So let's look at it. So you can see I have over 100. I can see here the value of this BNB right here. This TVL, the value over here is $120. Okay, $120 is the what I have. Like I rightly told you, remember I started this project with just $50. Okay, now let's go to my available balance that I'm going to withdraw right before you today. You can see this available balance here is 0.06491. Okay, let's also go to CoinMarketCap and paste it here so that we'll get to know the value. I'm going to paste it here so you can see no, that is 0. 0. Okay, let me just say 0.06491. 0.06491. we're going to say 0.00641. Okay, let's get to, no, it's 00 actually put here. It's 10. Okay, so let's see. I have 15.36, okay, over here. This is what I'm going to be taking out today, 15.36, okay. So if we are to add it to the 120 of this TVL here, okay, so you're going to discover that we have over $135, meaning that I've made a profit of $85 so far. Okay, I've made a profit of $85 so far. What did I do for me to have made this profit? Now, since when I deposited the $50 into this account, all I just do is every day I come down here and I click on compound. I keep clicking on this compound every day. Sometimes I do it twice a day, but minding the profits, okay, minding the what is it called, the gas fee of MetaMask. So sometimes I do it just once, okay, and I keep compounding, and the money has been growing up to this particular TV here, where all together with the TVL and the profit, I have over $80, okay. So without much ado, let's go ahead and make withdrawal from this particular account, okay. So if you want to make withdrawal, you're going to click this pocket your BNB. But if you want to make a compound, like you want to reinvest this particular profit here that I can withdraw, all I need to do is to click on this compound, and automatically this money will be reinvested into the system. Do you get now? Remember, you can only withdraw what you have in your TVL. So let's go ahead and click on pocket your BNB for the withdrawal. So after clicking the pockets, my BNB, my MetaMask is going to come up and it's going to load, okay? So after the MetaMask load, then it will give me the opportunity to be able to make my withdrawals out of this website, okay? So let's wait for the MetaMask to actually load. So far, the website has been very, very profitable. Like I rightly told you, it's been running for over a year, okay, and a whole lot of people are actually making a big cash out of this, okay. A friend of mine that actually joined over 6 months has made triple of his invested fund, okay. He has made a whole lot of money out of it, okay. So now we are withdrawing this $15 out of BNB miners, okay. So you can see this is it here. This is the gas fee that they were charging me, okay. So all I just need to do now to have this money directly into my MetaMask is for me to click confirm. Like I rightly told you in the intro of the video, this is not a platform where you apply for withdrawal and your withdrawal have to stay for like 2-3 days before it gets into your account, into your BNB account. No, this is automatic. As soon as I click this confirm now, it's going to go directly into my MetaMask account. So let's go ahead and click on this confirm. Now click on confirm. Okay, and right away, the money has gone into my MetaMask account. Okay, so I'm going to click on MetaMask. I'm going to click on MetaMask, so I'm going to see the money in my MetaMask account. And also, let's get to refresh this particular website, and you're going to see that this money here would no longer be here. Okay, let's refresh the website. Okay, you can see over here, confirmed transaction, which tells you that the money has gone into my MetaMask. You can see over here, it says confirmed transactions, meaning that the money has landed into my MetaMask account. Okay, so I've just refreshed it right now, and you can see over here, that I don't actually have the BNB in this place anymore. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so that is what I should show you on how to actually make live withdrawal from BNB miners. Okay, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.